AK-47. Yeah, chop it down. Keep trying, little Lord, and he gon' pop it down. They screaming, man down. Now you trying to stand down. We turn Iraq, fuck it, make the Iran town.
Iran town. We fuck with the team, it's me and love, I'm running now. Now what you wanna do? AK-47 do. Bustin' at the door, we get knock it out the team.
Yeah, I stutter. I'm like AK. If you try me, then you might not live no today. You know today. I don't really get no fuck like these blunts to pick me up. If you try to stick me up, I had my homeboy pick me up. We hit the block.
Try to stick me up. Yeah, my homeboys pick me up. We coming in the truck. It's the all black. What? You trying to fuck with us? It's the SS. Yeah, I don't give a fuck, dog. Fucking with my team. Yeah.
And you can call me, bitch, Mr. Best Dressed Boy, till I hit your block in that SS toy. Bitch, this a Chevy, bitch, something you can't afford. 4 doors, when I hit the gas, that bitch roar. When I'm taking down the street like I'm about to hit the lake. I'm moving through the city streets like my car is a snake. Looking out for the Jakes, steady blowing this cake. And only fuck with real niggas, cause I cannot fuck with fakes. I'm all about my bread, bitch, I'm all about the cake. And you can call me the Doughboy Cooker, I'm about to rake 100 bands, I done seen it happen, hundreds in my face. I done hit the car lot and dropped some hundreds in that place. I ain't got no car note, I just bought the whole thing. That's a tax write-off, and then I went and flamed Jane. I broke that bitch in, then I blessed my shit in. A gallon, then I stretched my shit in. On the E-way, I hit like the city, fucking with my cousins. Yes, we got shitty, smoking on that green light city, that no pity. Dub of that sticky, have my lungs feeling like a victim hit.